Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to feed Kombucha Scoby. Feeding your Scoby correctly is crucial for brewing delicious kombucha. We'll cover the fundamental steps to ensure your culture remains vibrant and active. A well-fed Scoby produces a balanced, flavorful brew every time. Get ready to master the art of nourishing your kombucha culture for consistent success in your home brewing journey. Let's dive into the details of keeping your Scoby happy and productive. Your Scoby primarily thrives on two simple ingredients, tea and sugar. For tea, stick to plain black or green tea. Avoid anything with oils or artificial flavors. These can inhibit your Scoby growth. As for sugar, plain white granulated sugar is ideal. It provides the necessary fuel for fermentation. Do not use honey, artificial sweeteners, or brown sugar, as these can introduce unwanted bacteria or alter the fermentation process negatively. Keep it simple for the best results. The frequency of feeding depends on your brewing cycle, but generally, you'll feed your Scoby when you start a new batch of kombucha. This usually happens every 7 to 10 days. A good rule of thumb is to use 1 cup of sugar for every gallon of brewed tea. This provides ample food for the Scoby to convert into delicious kombucha. Observe your Scoby activity. A healthy, active culture will show signs of fermentation, like bubbles and new layers forming. Sometimes your Scoby might seem a bit sluggish. Double-check your tea and sugar ratios and ensure your brewing environment is between 70 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. If you ever see fuzzy, dry, or colored spots, that's mold, and unfortunately, you'll need to discard that Scoby and start over with a new one. Always prioritize cleanliness. For more brewing tips and to explore other great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the description below this video. Happy brewing and enjoy your homemade kombucha.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.